5 plus 5 gives us 10, and 2 times 10 is equal to 20, and 20 divided by 20 is equal to 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operation, PEMDAS, which I am going to write here, so according to PEMDAS rule, the first thing to solve in equation is parentheses. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M and D stands for multiplication or division, A and S stands for addition or subtraction. So according to the rule, the first thing we need to solve is parentheses, and then exponent, and then multiplication or division. Then finally we have to solve addition or subtraction. Here is where most people get wrong though. They think multiplication has higher priority than division because it comes first, but that is actually wrong, because multiplication and division have equal priority. They are priority number 3. So what we should do if we encounter them in equation? Well, we have to do the equation left to right. We have to solve the equation starting from left to right, right? So that is what we are going to do, and we are going to solve the arithmetic that comes first. So if division comes first, we have to solve division. If multiplication comes first, we have to solve multiplication. So here we have parentheses. Of course, we have to do that first. And 5 plus 5 gives us 10. And the problem becomes 20 divided by 2 times 10. So here we have a division and a multiplication, and like I said, if we encounter them, we have to solve left to right, meaning we have to solve whichever comes first. So that is what we are going to do, and in this case, division comes first, so we have to solve that division, right? So 20 divided by 2 gives us 10, and 10 times 10 is equal to 100. So the final answer to this question is 100.